Hello viewers, welcome to this platform. I'm always excited to be here and to bring you great information. And before I unleash today's information for you, I want to say a very happy new month to all of you. Today is 1st of October 2023, and also today is the first day of this week. That's a very nice one. All right, so what do I have for you today? I'm here to give you top 3 reasons why you cannot afford not to be a part of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 2. So all you have to do is stay with me to the end of this video, because I have very important information for you in the number 1, which of course will blow your mind. Alright, so guys, right before I begin the countdown, I would like for you to know a little more about what this talent show is all about. AFROMUSIC TALENT SHOW is an online musical competition organized by the Elegant Empire to take rising music artists and give them a formidable platform for them to explore in their career and become successful. And this competition is open to all music artists. Whatever genre of song you do, this competition is just for you. So if you're a gospel artist, and if you're a rapper, you're a singer, you do whatever kind of song, this Afro Music Talent Show is just for you. We already know that as a rising artist, at this time of your career life, it's not going to be an easy journey for you to be able to get off the ground and get into limelight as an upcoming artist. And that's why the Afro Music Talent Show is here to enhance you and give you the needed push for you to succeed. I believe you now understand a brief about what the talent show is all about. So let's begin the countdown from number 3 to number 1. Let's go. Through this show, you will be able to know if you stand a chance to become successful in an industry as competitive as the Nigerian music industry. I know you're asking yourself, how do I get to know if I am going to succeed? It's quite simple. This will be known through your performance, which of course will be rated side by side other upcoming artists, and then you would be able to watch and access your performance and then rate yourself to see if you're really trying or not. So if you're trying, you give yourself thumbs up, and the audience also will watch and judge. If you're not trying, it's time for you to sit up, I guess. And then another very important aspect that you're going to get to know if you're really ready to succeed in this industry is through your family and friends, people around you who are going to be willing to vote for you and support you and watch your content, like and comment on them. And then you are going to get to understand if you are really serious about this music of a thing. See, my friends, let me tell you something. Don't ever be deceived that you are going to wake up one morning to become popular and blow, and then you're going to have lots of followers all over the world watching your contents, viewing your shows, supporting you, and you become so popular in the music industry. Never. It's never going to happen like that. So, how would you get to the top? It's very simple. You have to first build a community of supporters around you, no matter how small it is. Trust me, guys, you cannot do this alone. You need these people. You need these supporters. You need these people who believe in what you do, believe in your talent. These people also, they don't even need to be your family members. They just have to be people around you that just believe in what you do and love what you do and believe that they should support you to grow. So you need people. You cannot do this all by yourself. Number 2, all right, so through this competition, you will be able to rate your determination to push yourself into stardom. This competition would also tell you your strength and your limitation, and will also reveal to you if you would later give up in process of your career pursuits. Let me give you the bitter truth, guys. Amongst all of the upcoming artists we have today, including all of these people that are going to be competing in this competition for this season, should I tell you the shocking truth? Just a few people will make it into stardom. And who knows who that person may be? It may be you. It may be the next person. So your consistency and your resilience, your never give up attitude would determine if you are actually going to be able to stand tall till you hit stardom. You see, so many people, so many upcoming artists today would give up on themselves along the line because perhaps they don't have the determination and the passion to push themselves on their own. Some of them are waiting for people to come support them. A lot of people are just waiting for record labels, supporters, sponsors. They have never thought it wise that it is pertinent for them to rise up on their own and push themselves into stardom. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people will give up on themselves in the pursuit of their career. Alright, so we all know this popular producer and record label boss named Don Jazzy. Yes, yeah. He once made a statement in an interview. He said, if you're not ready to invest your millions and billions into this industry, the music industry, and to watch it go down the drain without yielding anything positive to you, then I guess the music industry is not for you. What does that mean? It means sacrifice. It means passion. For you to be able to let go of your thousands, millions, billions into the industry, whether or not it gives you a return of your investment, then the only thing that can make you do that is passion. It's passion. Do you know how much it takes for promotions? Do you know how much it takes to promote your songs and push you into stardom? And promotional activities does not even give you any guarantee that you are going to actually get into fame. You may invest millions and billions into promoting yourself as a music artist, and you're still an underground artist. And you can still spend that same amount promoting yourself, and then boom, you're going to get into limelight in a flash. So don't look at the profits. Don't look at the 50-50 business. If I put in 1 naira, I have to take 10 naira out of it, or I have to take 1 naira out of it. No, it doesn't work like that. Sometimes it works like that, but most of the people who have recorded successes in the music industry have done that through sacrificial efforts. Now, I am putting this to you as an upcoming artist. If you are not ready to invest your all into this industry, if you're not ready to put in your efforts, your time, your resources into this industry, into your career to push yourself to the top, then I guess this music industry is not for you. I guess it's time for you to just stop the music thing and maybe get a job somewhere, or maybe start a small business down your street. Music entails a lot of sacrificial efforts. Of course, we saw how this interplayed in the season 1 of this competition. How some artists and contestants who obviously they didn't have enough people to vote for them, they all voted for themselves. Most of them voted for themselves, pushed themselves, and boom, they got into the first 3. And some of them were selected for consolation prizes. I mean, if not for their personal efforts, they wouldn't actually get to that level. So, back to us. Music entails a lot of personal and collective sacrificial efforts. In cases where you do not have collective, that is a lot of people supporting you, then stop fanning yourself and waiting for when people will support you. I guess it's time for you to get up your feet and push yourself by your own self. And number one, which is the last point we are going to be discussing today, is the benefits that awaits you as a contestant in this competition. All right, so for this season of the Afro Music Talent Show, we have decided to give out a deal worth over 700,000 naira to the winner. Wow, this is amazing. This deal embodies cash prize, record deal, ambassadorial deal, and management deal. So tell me, is there something you would love to miss? Hell no, I bet you. And wait, that's not all. We also have a lot of mouth-watering consolation prizes for other contestants who would at least score up to 30% of the total votes in this competition. So, kindly get the leaflet that contains the full details about this competition for more detail and full breakdown. So now, I can hear that subtle voice inside of you asking yourself, how do I get started with this competition? Now listen, registration for the season 2 of the Afro Music Talent Show is starting on Sunday, which is today, 1st of October 2023, and shall last till Saturday, 7th of October 2023. Contact us and let us take you through the process of the registration. The process of registration is quite very simple. There are a few simple tasks to actually perform, and once you're done performing that, boom, you are done with your registration. There is no fee attached to the registration. The registration is absolutely free. And after your registration, a simple general beat will be released to all contestants in this competition. All you have to do is take the beat, practice, write out your lyrics, rehearse very well, and then record yourself singing alongside the beat playing in the background. You can decide to play the beat in maybe a sophisticated speaker or maybe a Bluetooth speaker, but do not allow the beat to outshine your vocals. Whatever you're singing, let it be louder than the beat. Let the beat play underneath the background. All right? So you are going to be singing alongside the beat and recording yourself with your cell phone. And once you're done with your recording, send it across to us on WhatsApp, and boom, you are done. The rest aspect of the competition, we are going to take you through the process, which is really very simple. Remember, this competition is open to all music artists. Whatever your genre of music is, listen to me. This competition is just for you. So a lot of gospel artists keep asking me, how about gospel artists? Can a gospel artist be part of this show? The answer is yes. Whatever you sing, whether you're a gospel artist, secular artist, singer, or rapper, this competition is exclusively meant for you. So as long as you can infuse whatever song you do into Afro style music, that is Afrobeat, then you're good to go in this competition. You may just emerge as the winner of this season of this competition. So what are you waiting for? Contact us right now with the numbers displayed on your screen right now and be the first to register for this competition. Do not miss out. My name is Elegant Akpabio, and I am simply your project director and also your host in this competition. See you when you contact us and when you get registered. Remain blessed. Peace.